Hey guys, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we are going to check out the Rhino Coffee Gear Coffee Bean Scoop. This coffee bean scoop is a big old scoop. It is 17 inches long, 6.1 inches wide, and 4.9 inches deep, and it has a 2.2 pound capacity. So you can scoop a lot of beans at once. It's made out of plastic, but it's very sturdy plastic. It also has this really convenient flat bottom, so when you're going to weigh the beans, it can sit comfortably on the scale without you worrying about it tipping over and just making a big mess and having to start all over again. It also has a really nifty handle that acts as a funnel as well. So it's long enough that you can hold it and get a good grip when scooping beans, but once you have them inside the scoop, if you're pouring it into something like a bag or something with a smaller hole or entrance, you can use the funnel to pour it in without making a mess. The Rhino Coffee Gear Coffee Bean Scoop will really help streamline your workflow in a commercial settings like a roastery or a coffee shop, because it allows you to transport large quantities of coffee from one part of the shop to another, or into bags or a roaster or a grinder, without making a huge mess. You can make your life a little easier and find this online at primacoffee.com, and thanks for watching.